Yes. Hello everyone and welcome dear all in the mathematics class. Yes, and today we will study the topic percentage. We will see some basic questions based on the percentage, okay, such as to find a certain percentage of a particular value, and such questions are also we will see such as when we have to find a number which is greater than or smaller than a particular value by a certain percentage. Okay, so now let's start, and it is here third video for this week. Okay, so now let's start. You can see here first question I have given that find 32% of 400. So how you will find that 32% of 400? First we are going to write that 32% of 400 means percent. We know that percent meaning is per 100. So you will write that 32 by 100. Okay, means 1 by 100. Percentage meaning is per 100 means 1 by 100. So you will write 32 into 1 by 100 means 32 by 100 into 400. These two zero you will cancel out, students. That is okay. These two zero. Then this will become 32 into 4. So that 32 into 4 you will get 128. Okay, so that means 32% of 400 is 128. Now next question we have find 20% of 140. Okay, so we will write what 20% of rupees 400 is 140. Sorry, 20% of rupees 140. What you will write? 20% means 20 by 100, because percent meaning is that 1 by 100 only. 1 by 100. Okay, so you will write that 20 by 100 into 140. 20 by 100 into 140. So you will cancel out that. You can solve that 20 into 1 time, and this 20 into 5 times 100 you can cut. Okay, so now 5 will divide 140, then you will get what? 1 by 5 into 140, that only I have said. After getting that, you will write that 1 by 5 into 140, then it will cut in 28 times. 5 into 28 times you can cut that. 5 into 1 time, and this 5 into 28 times. So 20% of 140, we will get the value 28. 20% of 140 is 28. Now this time the percentage value is also the number associated with the percentage, which is written with percentage symbol, that is also a decimal number. Okay, so 7.5% of 600 kg. Okay, 600 kg. How you will find? This time 7.5 I have written, that means it is a decimal number. So how you will find that? First you will write 7.5% of 600 kg means 7.5 by 100, because percent sign you will remove. Then at the denominator you can write 100, because percent means 1 by 100. Okay, per 100 means 1 by 100. So 7.5 by 100 into 600. At the place of you will write multiply. Now these two zeros and these two zero you will cut that. That means 100 into 6 time this 600 you can cut. Now 7.5 into 6, what you will get? 7.5 into 6, that means 45 kg. 7.5 into 6 is 45 kg, because 75 into 6 is 450 and it is 7.5. So one decimal place you will remove, it will come left side decimal point due to 7.5, because it has one decimal digit. So the number will be 45 kg. That means 7.5% of 600 kg is 45 kg. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So now we have the next question, that what amount is 10% more than 90? I have said that already, that this is the question to find a number which is greater than or other number by a certain percentage. Okay, so such types of questions also you should solve. So what amount is 10% more than 90? What we will write that? 10% of 90 first you will find. Then you will increase the previous number, the original number, by this value, whatever value will come. So first you find 10% of 90. So 10% of 90 means 10 by 100 into 90. Now here 1 0 you can cancel out from here and here, and this 0 also you will cancel out from here and here. Then you will get what? Only 9. Okay, 10% of 90 is, you will get 90 by 10 means, and you will solve that also you can get. This is also one of the way that you will multiply. 1 0 only will cut that from here. This is also one of the way. So 90 by 10, after that next step you can also cut, but the answer will come 9 only. Okay, so 10% of 90 is 9, rupees 9. 10% of rupees 90 is 9. Now you have to increase the original rupees 90 by rupees 9. So you will write that required amount is 90 plus 9, because you have to increase the present number, present available number, that means original number, by 10%. So 10% first you have found that 10% is 9. So 90 plus 9 means you will write that 99. Required amount is 99. Now we have the next question, that find the number whose 14% is 70. Now you see here there is a number whose 14% value you are knowing. Okay, you are knowing the value of 14%, that means 14% is 70. So now that number you have to find, okay, whose 14% is 70. So first in this type of question, first you should assume the number only, that let x be the required number. That number which you have to find, that is the x, that is x only. Then according to question you can say 14% of this number x is 70. So you can write that 14% of x of this number which you have to find is 70. This question is only telling this. So 14% of x is 70. Then 14 by 100 into x equals to 70. You may write that percentage means 1 by 100 you will write. So you will write what? X equals to 70 into 100 by 14. This 100 you will take upside, and this 14 you will take downside on the other side of the equation. When you will take, because this 14 is multiplying on this LHS, so it will divide on the other side, and this 100 it is dividing, so it will multiply on the other side. That means it is, you are doing cross multiplication also. Okay, whenever you are changing the sides, then the number which is multiplying on the other side it is dividing, you are knowing that. Similarly this 100 is dividing here, so it will multiply on that side. So 70 into 100 by 14. Now you can cut that 14 into 1 time and this 14 into 5 times. 14 5s are, that means you can write 14 into 5, 70. Okay, so now 5 into 100 you will get that required number is 500. The required number is 500, that you can write. Okay, the number whose 14% is 70, that number is 500. You may check the answer also here, that 14% of 500 you find out. So when you will find 14% of 500, that means 14 by 100 into 500 you will do. So it will come 14 into 5 means 70 only. Okay, in mind only you can solve that. 14% of 500 you will find, it will come 70. So now that's all. So now you can solve some questions for your homework, that you will solve exercise 10A, question number 7 to 13. Okay, easily you can solve now. Okay, process wise you will solve. Okay, and in NCERT also exercise 8.2 question number 4 and 5 also you may solve based on these type of question that you have studied just now. Okay students, you will now do watch these videos nicely for understanding these questions clearly. So thank you all of you, and have a nice day.